Welcome to the MaxWave Laser Handheld Laser Cleaning Machine product introduction. First, open the cabinet and unscrew the tank cover and add enough pure or distilled water. The water level should not exceed the yellow area as shown in the figure. Connect PNL wires to the machine in turn. Insert the air pipe into the air inlet of the machine. The masonry can be protected using filtered compressed air or nitrogen or argon. The air pressure is controlled at 0.5 MPa. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Pay attention to the water level changes as the machine runs. Observe whether the temperature of the display screen behind the machine is working normally. Press the laser button, select the light mode, turn on the laser enable. Wear protective glasses and double tap button twice. Straight line light mode. Vertical light mode. Circular light mode. Our spot size can be controlled at 10300 million. Rotate out light mode. Grid light mode. Circular grid light mode. The cleaning efficiency of our washing machine is more than twice that of traditional washing machine. By default, the cleaning machine supports 6 default languages: Chinese, English, Korean, Russian, and Japanese. Language types can be customized free of charge. When power off, turn off laser enable, laser button, turn off emergency stop switch, turn off protective gas. Turn off the switch, and thank you for watching.